Today I'm asking if you are a jack of all trades. And if you're not, could you be? Have you got the mindset to learn quickly if you had to? Do you have the necessary skills just to adapt? You're going to have to start working on those. Can you cook and bake? I mean, if you can't put things together outside, can you at least bake? Put things together on the inside? Can you gather fruits, forage, see what you can find out there in the wilderness? I mean, have you ever really walked out and looked to see if you could find any food on your own? What about hunting? Can you hunt? Have you got the heart for it? I mean, hunting's tough, guys. I mean, if you're not used to it, it's very hard to do, both in skill and in just the mindset to do it. And once you've hunted and gathered, can you make a fire? Can you put some sticks together and actually put a fire together? What about cooking on that fire? Could you cook? Do you have any skills for that? What about just putting up a simple tent? Could you put up a tent? And here's fishing. Can you fish? Fishing's also a very hard to learn skill. It's kind of tough to do. I mean, it's something that you probably need to go out and try. Can you fish? And most importantly, can your children fish?